I generally describe myself as a biological oceanographer because I work in the open ocean studying marine biology, but also studying the oceanography that's going on underneath. And I use that understanding of oceanography to understand why an animal is here and say not over there. So I grew up in central New Jersey and I spent a lot of time out just observing animals. I always liked animals. I spent time kind of mucking around in swamps and lakes and on the Jersey Shore. And that always, I was always drawn to observing animals and trying to get to know more about them. I went to school. At first I thought I wanted to be a veterinarian. And then I said, well, maybe I don't want to go to school for that long. But then I ended up in college and then went for my PhD because I found it really interesting to learn and discover new things about animals. My first animal that I studied in the ocean was actually seabirds. There weren't a lot of people doing seabird biology out here, so I started to look around to see if there were people working on other predators, and jellyfish are a predator that I became interested in. They feed on zooplankton, and they're very important in the ecosystems. What I really love about my work is that every day things are a little bit different. Sometimes I just sit at my desk and write and work on data, but other days I'm working with students. Some days, like 2 days ago, I was out on a small boat just south of Block Island collecting jellyfish. I also enjoy working with people. I really enjoy being part of a team. I think there's a lot of opportunities for young people who are interested in marine science, but it may be a little bit different than what you might expect. The ocean is vast and there's a lot of diversity out there. There's a lot of structure and a lot of interactions that are happening between species that we don't quite understand enough yet. And these environments are changing, so we need to understand them, what's going on out there at a much deeper level. And that's going to be work that people will do for decades, and I hope young people will help out and be part of that.